Hey, welcome back to the Fit to Swipe channel. So today I have the rare opportunity to be able to compare 4 of these custom Swiss Army knives that I've just finished up. So each one has a different fit and finish tool set, and so we'll go ahead and compare them, and maybe you guys can choose which one you like the best. All right, so first of all, you'll see these 3 have titanium scales, and this one has the original ruby midnight scales. So these 2 are actually the exact same scale, except for this one I've flamed, so that's what gives it this black, or it's more of a dark gray color. All right, and then this titanium scale I've anodized, and so that's why it's blue. And something unique about this one is that you can see the peening work is done externally, and also I've added the titanium pocket clip, which also has been peened on. Also, this scale has the retractable pin, so also a really cool feature to have in titanium pocket clip, titanium scales. All right, and then this one, like I said, it's the ruby midnight scales, so that means it has the LED light, and also it has the retractable pin. So some people actually prefer having the more standard looking Swiss Army knife, so that's how that turns out. And then the next thing is actually the liners. These liners are also original. You see there the aluminum. So what I've done is I've just polished them up to make them look nicer. So you can compare that to the G10 liners that I make. So this one has the light blue G10. It has the green. And this one has a dark blue G10 liners. All right, then the next thing is actually the finish of the tools. You'll see here, this has been acid etched and aluminum washed, whereas this is the original stainless. So you can see the kind of difference. All right, other than that, the difference between these is going to be the tool set. This is actually the Spidernox Kamakiri, which I've actually made a video before showing how I make this knife. So if you have, not this one in particular, but a build like this one, same tool set. So if you haven't seen that, be sure to go back and watch that. So this has the Spyderco Honeybee, the scissors, has the file, it has my signature saw mod, and so this is actually, it was originally the Victorinox ruler from a mini champ, so I changed that to be a saw. And the last tool here is the original blade, which I've serrated. All right, now I'll jump over to this one, because this is actually also, basically it's what I call a Kamakiri Plus, because it has the same tool set as the Spidernox Kamakiri. You have your honeybee blade, you have the saw, and everything's the same. The only thing added to this, why I call it a plus, is that I've added the Phillips combi tool. So that makes it just one layer thicker. Actually, it makes it quite a bit thicker, although it's only one added layer. But it's thicker because I had to add another liner also. All right, then this blade, it also has a really custom tool set. It has the Spyderco blade, like you've already seen. It has the scissors. And then on this side we have the file, the orange peeler, box cutter, a lot of different names for this tool also. And it has, again, my signature saw mod. So here you actually can see the remains still of the file. I'm sorry, the ruler. All right, and then this beast, this is what I call a Spidernox Winger Champ with a scalpel. And we'll go ahead and start off with the scalpel. It has the Night Core NTK05 scalpel holder. And so this actually has a replaceable blade. So what you do is just lift back here, pull forward, and you can just replace that. It takes a number 11 scalpel. Let's see right here, yeah. It takes a number 11. So when this gets dull, you just pop that right off, and you can slide a brand new one on there, and you got a brand new sharp scalpel. All right, other than that, we have the Phillips, the emergency straight blade, once again the orange peeler, the file, and this is a mini flat screwdriver from a Winger. That comes actually from the Winger pocket tool chest. All right, then once again, the Spyderco honeybee blade, the scissors, my chisel mod. So this is actually from the cuticle pusher from a Mini Champ, and I've sharpened up the tip to be a chisel. And beside that we have, again, the saw mod, and a divot repair tool. This is from a Spidernox caddy, and it's a kind of a cool little tool. If you watch my build videos, you notice I'll use one similar to that quite often when I take apart Swiss Army knives. All right, then we have another Winger tool. This is the all from the Winger pocket tool chest. All right, so that is all for these 4 knives. So each one is different. So let me know which one you like the best, which tool set, what finish. Yeah, just let me know in the comments what you think, which one you like the best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.